Hello, it's me again, Joanne Mariel Palisoc, and in this video, I am going to teach you how to use PICSART to create a 4-pix one word. PICSART is an application that is very easy to use and has a lot of features, but in this video, we are going to focus on how to use it in creating collage for 4-pix one word content. Now, are you ready? If you are, then let's start. If you will open the application, it will ask you to create an account. If you have already an account, you can log in just like me, and this is how it would look like. Then you should click the add button to start editing. Now, after clicking the add button, select collage, then grid. Then you have to also select the photos that you will include in your collage. Well, I've downloaded some photos earlier to save time, so here. I will choose these photos. Oh, oops. There. So I have chosen those photos because I have to create a collage that would best depict marriage. Marriage is somehow related to the topic that I am going to discuss to my students. So, there. I'm going to arrange this. As you can see at the bottom, there are lots of options, but we're just going to create a simple collage for now. But if you would like to customize your collage and make it more creative, then you can utilize the options or tools down below. So as you can see, the photos that I included in this collage can be referred to or can be described or related to the word marriage, because the topic that I am going to discuss will be kinship, and one way to form kinship is through marriage aside from rituals and bloodline. So now I'm just waiting for it to load, and now you go. It's quite slow, huh? So now I'm going to customize the collage. So I'm going to select the fit tool so that I will be able to put a background of the collage where I can put the word 4-pix one word and the line that will represent the missing word or the word that should be guessed by the student. So there are lots of backgrounds that I can use in PICSART, and as you can see, they're very colorful. But I can also choose to use a background that is just plain. I think it would be best if I will just use a background that is plain so that it will be not that distracting to the students. So there. Nice color. I have to, yes, that one. I think it's better. So I'll click the check button. Then I have to put the text that would include the 4-pix one word phrase. Okay, 4-pix one word. One word. There you go. Now I'm going to click the check button, and I have to put this at the top. So I can also choose from the various fonts available in PICSART there. But I think I also have to change the color because it won't be visible or it's not readable if it's white. Okay, let's choose a darker one. I think blue is better. Let's see. Okay, light blue, yellow, green, red, orange. I think this one's better. There you go. 4-pix one word. Okay, let's just align it. Okay, there you go. I think it's already readable for the students. So now let's put some stroke, or let's thicken the stroke. Yeah, there you go. Opacity, blend, shadow. Okay, I think there's no need to adjust this. And now I think we should put the line below. At first, I think we should consider putting lines according to the number of letters of the word that we have to give to the students, or for the students to guess rather. But I think it's a bit easier if we will do that. So now let's just put a single line, because the pictures that I have chosen are already easy to guess. Okay, it's a little bit small. Let's adjust it. Now let's make it longer. There. Okay, let's put it at the middle. There you go. I think we're already done. Now we have to save it. Okay, let's already save this picture. Okay, it's already saved to our photo gallery, and tada! This is already one instructional material for the 4 picks 1 word. So if you're in a hurry and you want to make an instructional material that is for 4 picks 1 word, you can use PICSART to create one. It's very easy, very fast, and very convenient even if you're just using your mobile phones. So that's all. Thank you, and I hope you learned something from me.